We've had some experience now finding ordered pairs on the coordinate plane, but graphing of equations usually starts with a plain number line. So if our equation was as easy as x plus 2 equals 7, we would solve our equation by doing the inverse operation, being fair on both sides. X would equal 5. So on our number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we would circle that answer and color in our circle, because the answer to this equation is 5. But when we start to get into inequalities, x plus 2 is greater than 7. This works exactly like the equation as far as the math goes. I'm going to reverse my 2 so I can get the numbers together on the same side of the equation. X now is greater than, I'm using my greater than symbol instead of the equal sign, 5. So if I start out with 0, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's greater than, so 5 doesn't work on this equation. So I'm going to circle the 5, but not color it in. And our arrow, our greater than sign, is pointing to the right. So I'm going to make my arrow go that way too. So this tells me that the answer to this equation is going to be bigger than 5 because I did not color it in. So it could be 5.5, 5.1. It could be 6, 7, 8, 9, all to infinity. That's how you plot an inequality. Let's say perhaps our equation was x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 5. I'm going to work my, or 7, I'm sorry, greater than or equal to 7. I'm going to use the same one. I'm going to work my equation. X is greater than or equal to 5. In this case, here's my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is back in play again because it's now equal to that. I'm going to color in my circle. And it's also greater than. So my arrow points in this direction. See how it's pointing that way? This is pointing in this to the right. I'm going to make my arrow point to the right.